Alright. Got my guy right there. Yo, I don't know if you're ready for this. Green light. Oh shit! I didn't see that one. V6 just killed me, man. Oh man, what's up? We live? I was riding the cow. Charger could do, I'm always looking to see, right? Back in the day, you remember those need more Ovaltine commercials?
Hey, listen, Nestle, quick.
Dad, quick out. Please switch to its chocolate Ovaltine.
Why?
Ovaltine's better for you.
Yo, what's up? What is up, Crispy Gang? Not sure where this is gonna go. IGTV, YouTube. Maybe both. It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West. I'm on my way to school. Today should get pretty interesting. I actually have something to do at school. Like when I go to school, they give us one task to do, and then from there we determine what we want to do next. Either we work on the same task or we find something real. I don't know if I explained that in my Saturday vlog, but yeah, hopefully I did a good job explaining it, because my teacher just subscribed to my channel, so that's always good. Yeah, so today we riding extra sketch, my guy. Extra sketch. I don't know if I took a picture of it or I got it on video, but this morning I found out how bad Vegas roads are. Look, I got zip ties holding it up, right? There's a lot of biggity bounce in the roads, and it's slick bounce my exhaust. Well, not my exhaust, my wife's exhaust bolt out. So, of course, when I did it, I did not put the right bolt. Well, I put the right bolt that came in the box, but it didn't have a lock nut. It just came with a regular nut. Pause. And so right now, why I'm saying extra sketch, because like I said, this morning that happened. I haven't had a chance to do anything but go to Home Depot. Of course, I didn't have no, oh, they go to F-Type, Jaguar, right? Am I saying that right? Jaguar? I didn't have no tools. School has all the tools in the world. So, yeah. Good thing I'm in an automotive program. I could have definitely handled this project at home. I got a few tools at the house. You know, one thing I'm learning about getting into automotive is the more tools you get, the easier a job it is, you know, and tools come with time. Tools and time, they go together. So, yeah. So, if you're on the other side of this screen, I hope you're praying for me, please. That biker prayer, because I have to get to school to do this. School in my house is about the same distance, so unfortunately for me, yeah, I think the police came in this lane. I swear, thought I seen them. Police in Vegas is hella fast. Nah, ain't no police. Cool. Alright, I guess I'll give y'all some highway footage. And if you're wondering why I said whoever she is, she can't drive, it's because she could have just waited to get behind me, but instead she sped up to jump in front of me. So that's why I said that. All right, so I'm super sketch right now because my exhaust bolt is held on right now by 3 zip ties and a prayer. Not gonna lie to you, it's gotta be one of the sketchy moments. Not my most sketchiest, but it's up there. So really, I don't know why I'm trying not to hit it like it matters, but yeah, I'm not really putting any heavy duty throttle on there. I don't think it really matters because that area is going to get hot anyway. I just hope school doesn't trip. I'm gonna be honest with you, automotive people, they like motorcycles, they just don't understand it. It's not all of them. Some people have a bias against motorcycles. Like, you know, when people call out their favorite cars and somebody says, yeah, I like the H2 because it's fast as hell, and somebody be like, man, shut up, motorcycles don't count because they basically have like one person on there. Yeah, that's, I feel that energy sometimes. Like, I'm not sure why people hate on motorcycles like that. I get it. For $5,000 I could be a lot faster than you in your supercar. I got that. I understand that. I'm not crying about it. But most of the cars that can really fucking handle supercars, which, to be fair, with supercars, everybody fast, right? With bikes, a certain kind of person is fast, person that knows how to ride a motorcycle. And just because somebody owns a motorcycle does not mean they know how to ride a motorcycle. So it's fucking different. Something like that. So that's the difference with supercars. You can put a 15-year-old on a supercar and he knows how to drive the damn car. You put a 15-year-old who doesn't know anything about motorcycles and you gonna get some trouble. They have an office chair in the road, but you know what? It's called mind your damn business. Mind your damn business. That's right. That's true. I really just try to ride for the stupid people that drive around here. On the street, you have to be better than people in their cars. You have to, like, your riding skills have to be better. What up, bro? You got it started? I heard you got it started, but you get it started. Yeah. Okay. The exhaust, check that out. Look at, hold on, I'm gonna take the filter off so y'all can really see some shit. So look, I got zip ties holding it up right now. One of my clamps is actually rusty right here. So I got a couple bolts. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get the bolt in there. Hopefully it can fit, but it's looking pretty small. All right, let's try. Let's see if we can get something shaking. If not, I still got zip ties, and then I know which kind of bolt will work with this and what won't. All right. Look, that's all the tools I got. Tell me if I got enough to do the job. It's crazy. I swear I had a washer on it too, but I guess not. Jeez. business. Okay, so what I did was I put a washer back here, and I'm putting the washer up there, and I got some Loctite. So realistically, the washer on the other side is gonna hold it, and hopefully that works. Cause I already got everything else loaded up, and it's almost ready. I'm gonna go check out that 250 once I finish this. All right, here we go. Let's tighten this. All right, fuck with me. All right, so this is what I did. I got a washer here, and then I got the bolt back there with a washer too. And this thing is stupid tight. It's snuggity snug. Then I snugged that one too. And then this is good too. It's not torque to spec, but yeah, tight and torque to spec is two different things. I tell you that. You want to see something? Look. I don't want to get too close to that teacher. That dude that's over there, he'd be tripping. That's a 250 over there. All right. Whoo, jeez, tired. Look at that. Look at all my bolts. I did all of this. These, I'm keeping these because I might be able to use these later. Okay, and then all of these. I think I got something over there in the clamp. I mean, over there, yeah, in the clamps. So I used whatever this was. That's one reason I like coming here, because like they got everything, all the tools you need, and bolts. So because I actually bought the wrong bolt. That was crazy. So let's hope that this holds up for a while. I'm gonna order an exhaust bolt for M4 maybe in a couple days, because I like what's on there and I lock tight what's on there, but we'll see. I keep an eye on it, guys. So. All right. Put up the rest of these. They look good, man. Look at that. Yeah, back in. All right, gang. So I'm ending this video, and it's been good. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead, subscribe. I hope y'all like my fix. I really couldn't get a good a good, what's the name? Look, there go that charger I raced in my truck the other night. I don't think so, not in Vegas. He might be good in Vegas. Plus he can change it off if he don't need it. Yeah, they probably get on his ass. Y'all didn't? Exactly, just fuck with you. Alright, bro. Oh. Alright, gang. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I got the problem fixed. We'll find out tomorrow when we get on a bike.